Lower and Upper Lumparing will soon benefit from the upcoming Lumparing Mini Hospital cum Primary Health Centre, a 10-bedded facility expected to be operational by December. Sanctioned at 4.13 crore rupees, the hospital will serve 3 Dorbar Shnongs and was inspected on Saturday by South Shillong MLA Sanbor Shulai along with health and PWD officials. Shulai also reviewed 5 PWD link road projects worth 7.3 crore rupees set to be completed by February and is aimed at improving access in areas lacking motorable roads.
Life assurance kakaliang ka health department. Barkadero kan jika surprise inspection lani ka joint inspection kan yarap ku bat stat ya. Teman-teman hadin ke jia jengok ya ka primary health center jong Lumparing ka badon sipujing tia bat kalong lai mala ka ba nagaliang juga health department Lumbai kong Rumbai bat GE kili ai ka assurance bagumumna by December lala banhan obar no sa kasnong sa kasengentay kabamun supay ba bagin pli no pagba na ka mini hospital.
Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Minister Alexander Lalu Hek inaugurated the Loyola block of St. Xavier's College in Umoid, Southwest Khasi Hills during a vibrant event that also featured a performance of Mamma Mia. The ceremony was attended by Deputy Commissioner B. Maulong, BJP leader M. Kharkrang, Principal Father Augustine Sunny, students, parents and local dignitaries. In his address, Hek praised the college for empowering students through skill development and urged them to pursue market-driven fields.
But when I've seen today, they are really are very self-confident. Everybody has self-confidence. Every one of you. It is so talented, and I really must put a record step to congratulate to each one of you. I used to tell in other school when I to attend the other school in Shillong, another part of Shillong, I said that when you are sending your students to study for any academic future career, you should have the demand-driven. The demand-driven is the market today is very important. The student should understand which field, which subject to study where the demand-driven are available in the market. So that is very important.
Manuel Badwar, senior Congress leader in Meghalaya, voiced concerns over potential irregularities in upcoming elections, citing issues like voter duplicity, fake addresses and missing names. Referring to Congress leader Rahul Gandhi's remarks on vote theft, Badwar urged citizens to remain vigilant and called on the Election Commission to ensure transparency by directing booth-level officers to engage at the grassroots. Meanwhile, Congress leader Banphira Basayomoit asserted the party's commitment to continue working without MLAs and criticized the BJP-NPP alliance, claiming both parties are indistinguishable.
Balay kani kakta yang ni apa Meghalaya ro asyik tu ipi. Temedang menen lu kena iba wat ka ECI jong Meghalaya ro ka ai jong jubab. Kita ki jong jubab ki ar ki keli penban. Te masuk tu bam let's say handle jong tu ka social media jong ki let's say kempenyak ki nang ni penyak ni wei. Tambah Shillong no ba ni khap pikir kham banyak kan mde ke pai ba dia de ban tim ha amal ban la ban manipulate kene kila ban manipulate ke kham tam gi bot pan dei le si yo sha tang kam bakla la sha hi thambon kasuan kisinchar ke ba mya.
5 Bangladeshi nationals were nabbed along the Indo-Bangla border in southwest Khasi Hills. Yesterday, 4 Bangladeshi nationals were apprehended by the BSF with the help of local villagers. According to sources, They had entered the Indian border with the intention to carry out criminal activities and to travel to other parts of the country, although the actual route of entry is yet to be ascertained. Today morning, another individual is apprehended, and according to them, there were around 7 to 8 members, in which 2 or 3 are still at large. The operation is ongoing, and the BSF along with the Meghalaya police swung into action to nab the remaining members. Till the time of filing this story, all 5 are being taken to the hospital for treatment. Residents of Tingrong Lado, Lause, Sotlite, Nongjale and nearby villages, along with the Senglongkme New Nongstoin, staged a protest in Domsao on Friday against a proposed bonded warehouse. The demonstration, which began at 7 a.m., included village leaders and community representatives who voiced concerns over the warehouse's impact on the youth and future generations. A public meeting ended with a unanimous resolution to oppose the plan and submit formal objections.
Tenamar ba balay bangi percaya gane ba hagan ga jaka bawan bu ga warehouse kan kampaje na ka sonong stoin bat ka wiru ha ka balay ba ka warehouse ka bajulong ba dala ki wan bu ka warehouse hangne lara je ki jingklumar hapo jo ka warehouse na thai na kaleng jo ka police department ro kan kham sitom hi banwan patrolling hagan ga jaka na kata ka daw na kaleng jo ngi kum ki sinjok no sa charge i percaya jor habede berkane basa ka wiru ka jingmut jo ka warehouse hi ka jingmut ba ai kena warehouse kolong ban salan ker tang ci kwan store dei bangi julat nakapo ci kapor ba nakaliang ki snong ke balayo ya kane ka warehouse i ba ki babori ki bawan thitkiat be an nakini ki warehouse tena kata ka daw swaban sa poi sa taga jingkrumar na ka jingsneu ba nakaliang jong ki noksen sa snong inem ko ban mi kini ki jingkrumar.
The Meghalaya Diploma Engineers Service Association, or the MEDEA, has officially launched its Western Zone in West Khasi Hills, expanding its footprint in the region. The formation event, held at the PWD Road Inspection Bungalow in Nongstoin, saw the election of new office bearers, including President Amcheking Snaitang, Vice President Boniface Nongdhar and Secretary Maki Nongrum, along with 10 committee members. MEDEA central body leaders, including President A. Kurba and General Secretary R. Konknyo, attended the gathering. Konknyo emphasized MEDEA's mission to support departmental progress and uplift communities in need. A public hearing focused on the preservation and beautification of the Mintadu River, dubbed the Lifeline of the People, was held at the Dorbar Hall, Chilyang Rai, organized by the NGO Kuit Yaka Wa Mintadu, or the KYKWM, ahead of its August 22nd appearance before the National Green Tribunal in New Delhi. Led by President Kru Lamsalanki Parayat, the meeting drew strong support from local leaders, fishing associations, senior citizens and community groups. A resolution was passed urging the NGT to involve the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council in river protection efforts. The KYKWM also called on the state government to launch tree planting initiatives along nearby roads.
The unit Naganika Rayong Nigo Yachemi Naga Vabon give a hatchno, he Sanman Bay, Gintai give a bone one ne, Yado give a rabla, the Yakalam the Ongiva, Nini, Vianti, Nebanta, Viakoni, Hayato, Wankanika, case over the thought, Upajba, Chaga NGT, Principal Bench. The Kaniga up, Bicharga NGT, New Delhi, the Organic Art for Art Umlai August. The Halorgani, Niliang Yonka Yalangoman ne, the Barkati wa Mbantano Hakabo Filing Fedibet, Chanka NGT.
Located 50 kilometers from Shillong, the village of Nongspung under Hima Nongspung is gearing up to transform its scenic and culturally rich landscape into a tourist destination. Known for its mysterious salty water paddy field and the legendary Klaukrem forest with caves and stone formations, The village offers unique trekking and leisure experiences. Acting Sardar J. Karmandai shared that the Dorbar Shnong and Hima Nongspung are collaborating to promote tourism and have sought state government support for infrastructure and publicity. Locals hope the initiative will place Nongspung among Meghalaya's top rural tourism spots.
Ka jing angnut ka jongi kum ka snong kalong ba ban pen internet ya ni ka jaka bat bangin pennek pensa ya kini ki aka ki badon kut kum ki khana ki badon ha kan ne ulum te ka jingmut jong ka snong hi kalong ba ngin pennek bat bangin pen internet susu ya ni ka jaka yo ne ulum hi bro ko we khnang ba kan long kum ban kring ya ki nong wan pet kai no jong akai parthai ki ba na sakalang jong parthai na ka sarkar ni naliang nu minister tu naliang jongi la ya kendo mila pha ya ka jingkerpat ba naliang jong ka sarkar kan ailam ki mang ka ya ka mang tingka na banta ban pen internet la ne ban pen bha ya klenti ya ne ka cloud hi brokwe ni la ai ki mamandam.
The first Baby League football tournament, organized by Rumnen Futsal in collaboration with the family of Badhok Nongmalye, wrapped up on Saturday at the Rumnen Futsal ground in Maudyang. The event aimed to nurture young football talent and featured matches in 3 age categories. Narampe Academy triumphed in the under-8 and under-12 categories, while Nongpok Grassroots clinched victory in the under-10 group. KSU Ribhoi District President Ferdinand Kharkamni attended the closing ceremony as a chief guest. He encouraged children to pursue futsal passionately, envisioning a future where they bring pride to their families and the state.
Kani ka jingla kai ka bading kome jong ka first BB League ka berpeniat da ka Rumen Futsal kalong ka ish ka babenta ka ba nga sobat ai jiro bat kumjuro klem da klet ya ka jing yang sedang jong kini ki ying ka sem jong i nadu i pa jong i ibad hok normally ibadai i perlok ka bangayajan banga buram ha bat kumju ya ka ying ka sem jong kinong si i balas sedang ya ne ka gym po akte hanong po ka blai Rumen Fitness Gym kedai kawai ka benta ka ba ki peni ba kumno ngila ban ngara ya kata ka jai mdrio ka baklan na mta kalawai pat ka bansawan.
The Catholic Youth Organization of Umroy Sub-District under Mowbray Parish held its one-day annual sports meet on Saturday, celebrating unity and camaraderie among youth members. Inaugurated by Umroy MLA Damanbait Lamare, the event featured spirited football and tug-of-war matches for both men and women. Umkite and Umaid Catholic Youth won the men's and women's football finals respectively, while Umtangling and Umaid triumphed in the tug-of-war contests. The closing ceremony, attended by Bandari Rintathyang, concluded with a prize distribution and a renewed commitment to sportsmanship and fellowship. And now for the weather. First, let's look at the report in Tura, where the minimum temperature was 23 degrees Celsius and the maximum at 27 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity was 84% with rainfall at 22 millimeters. In Shillong, the minimum temperature was 19 degrees Celsius with the maximum at 23 degrees Celsius and relative humidity of 77%. Rainfall was measured at 7 millimeters. Meanwhile, in July, the minimum temperature was 19 degrees Celsius, while the maximum temperature was 23 degrees Celsius and relative humidity was 79%. Rainfall was measured at 6 millimeters. The forecast in Tura, Shillong and July say moderate rain and thunder showers are likely to occur at most places. And now for a quick look back at today's headlines. Lumparing mini hospital and road projects promise relief for locals. Hospital expected to be operational by December. Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Minister A.L. Heck inaugurates Loyola Block at St. Xavier's College, Umoy. Congress leaders raise concerns over electoral fairness in Meghalaya. Manuel Badwar urges citizens to remain vigilant. And the first Baby League football tournament concludes in Maudyang. That brings us to the end of today's news edition. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a good evening.